Hello everyone, welcome back to the AI4Laymans channel. In this video, we're going to explore Practice Lab, one of the most interactive learning environments available on AI4Laymans. Practice Lab is designed to help you improve your AI and prompt engineering skills through hands-on practice, guided challenges, and real-world examples. Let's get started. To access Practice Lab, click the Practice section from the AI4Laymans sidebar menu. You can see different tools in the pop-up. Click on the Practice Lab to open it. Once inside, you'll see your learning dashboard. Practice Lab is divided into three main sections: Live, Practice, Exercises, and Examples. Let's begin with Live Practice. In the Live Practice section, you'll find the Prompt Tester. This tool allows you to write your own prompts and receive instant analysis and suggestions. You can start from scratch or choose from quick templates such as marketing email, business strategy, or educational content. Simply enter your prompt and click Analyze My Prompt. The system will evaluate your prompt and help you understand how to improve clarity, structure, context, and effectiveness. Next, let's explore the Exercises section. Here you'll find prompt engineering challenges designed to strengthen your practical skills. These challenges range from beginner to advanced levels and cover real-world scenarios. You'll work on tasks such as prompt optimization, evaluation frameworks, domain adaptation, and many. As you complete exercises, your progress is automatically tracked inside Practice Lab. Now let's move to the Examples section. This area helps you learn by comparing weak prompts with professional quality prompts. You'll see side-by-side examples showing what not to do and how experienced prompt engineers structure their instructions. By studying these comparisons, you'll quickly understand why some prompts produce better results than others. Finally, when you're ready for deeper learning, you can open the interactive prompt tester by clicking the Prompt Tester button on the top right. This feature provides sample prompts, improved versions, and a dedicated workspace where you can write and analyze your own prompts. It acts like a personal prompt coach, helping you build stronger prompting skills through practice and feedback. Whether you're a student, professional, creator, marketer, or business owner, Practice Lab provides a structured way to learn AI through hands-on experimentation. The more exercises you complete and the more prompts you test, the more confident you'll become in working with modern AI tools. Enjoy building your own prompts with Practice Lab tool on AI4Laymans. If this tutorial helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video. Thank you for watching. Let's meet on next tutorial video with another interesting tool.